Hello, Bob.
Hello, teacher.
What happened, Bob?
Uh, because
What did you do?
Ben because Ben learn English on my MacBook.
Ah, okay. She has another English class.
Uh, because he learn with Michael.
Oh, okay. He's learning well, Michael. I see. Well, that is good, Bob. Okay, so now just make yourself comfortable and let me share my screen. And yes, today we will proceed to talking about your favorite pet for a moment. Okay, so we'll have exercise five. Oh, by the way, what did you do in the morning?
Uh, in the morning, I I ate breakfast and I went to help my grandma uh sell a stuff.
Okay, you're very nice, Mom. You're very helpful to your grandma. Okay, so now let us have exercise five. Can you tell me your answer for one?
Uh, do you have a bed?
Okay, very good. What about two?
No, I don't have a bed.
Okay, three.
Yes, I have a horse uh called Boxer.
Okay, yes, it's called, which is similar to named boxer. Okay, what about four?
What is she like?
Okay, very good. Five.
Uh, my dog is clever and good nature.
Okay, well done. What about for six?
Uh, what do you do with your pet?
Very good. Okay, seven.
Uh, what are the best have you have
Is it have you have?
uh have you had?
Yes, it is had, Bob, because this is a present perfect tense which talks about our experiences in the past, which is connected to or with a connection to the present. So we'll use have you had. Okay, now last one.
Uh, I had a fish when I was a
Okay, child. This is child.
child.
Okay, now let us have exercise six, fill in the blanks. Okay, so in here you will be Arisa. Now we have here the answer pool. We have is had, cold, has, she, cuddle, get, and with. Okay, so let us start now. Do you have a pet, Arisa?
Yes, I have a cat called Pepper.
What is she like?
She is white with blue eyes. She is quite small, but she uh has a long and full, fluffy,
Fluffy. Fluffy.
fluffy, fluffy tail.
Tail.
She's still sleep a bit naughty sometimes.
Okay. What do you do with her?
I just pat and play with her. Uh, we uh we cook dough a lot too.
What other pets have you had?
I haven't get any other pets.
What pets would you like to have?
I want to have a dog.
Okay, yes, well done. Okay, you did great. Now let us proceed to exercise seven ordering. Okay, and I know you're good at it. Can you tell me your answer for one?
I have a fish called Wanda.
Okay, yes, that's right. Two.
Do you have a pet?
Okay, three.
Uh, she is small and fluffy.
Very good. What about four?
What do you do with him?
Okay, and five.
Uh, what was your pet like?
Okay, that's correct. Six.
Uh, when when I was child, I had two rabbits.
Okay, yes, we can say that, and that is correct. When I was a child, I had two rabbits, or we can as well say, I had two rabbits when I was a child. Okay, your answer is correct, Mom. What about for seven?
I walked my dog.
Okay, and the last one.
Uh, what other pets have you had?
Okay, yes, thank you so much. Now let us have exercise eight. In here, it is your turn to ask me these questions.
Can you say again?
Okay, so it is your turn to ask me these questions, Bob.
Do you have a pet?
I don't have a pet.
Uh,
Four.
what other pets have you had?
I had a dog before.
Uh, what were they like?
Well, he was very playful.
Uh, what pet would you like to have?
Well, I'd like to have a Pomeranian someday, but it's a little pricey, Bob. So now we'll proceed to exercise nine. Your turn to answer these questions. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog called Milo.
Oh, Milo. Okay. Is it a boy?
Uh, a girl.
Oh, a girl. Okay. What is your pet like?
Uh, she is uh fluffy and small.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What do you do with her?
Uh, I walk with her.
Oh, okay. What other pets have you had?
Uh, no.
Oh, you haven't had any pets other than Milo. Okay. Who gave Milo to you? Who gave you a dog?
Uh, can you say again?
Who gave you a dog?
Uh, Michael.
Oh, Michael did. Can you tell me what is the breed of your dog? What kind of dog is Milo? Is it a bulldog,
Uh,
a Pomeranian?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. But is it a small dog or a big dog?
Uh, when it older, it will big.
Oh, why? How old is it now? How many months or how old?
uh 2 months.
Oh, 2 months. Okay, so it's still a puppy. I see. And where is your dog now?
Uh is with Michael.
Oh, it's with Michael. I see. Okay, so now let us have this one. Okay, lesson 13. Can you tell me when was your first English class?
Uh
Can you
uh
remember?
no.
Oh, no, you can't. Okay, so that's fine. Now we'll just have exercise one. Okay, we have here one on one. What is your idea about one on one?
Uh
Just like this picture right here, it's one on one.
is one teacher teach one student.
Yes, that is correct. Learning with a single teacher and just one student. Okay, that is one on one. Just like what we're having right now. We're having one on one, but virtually. Okay, now next one in a class. What about this?
Uh in a class. Uh is somewhere to learn.
Somewhere? When we say in a class is not a place, mom. Okay, a class is a group of students. Okay, your classmates, that is your class. Okay, so when we say in a class, it means you are learning with a group of students and a teacher. Okay, students and one teacher. That is in a class. Now, what about in here in school?
Uh in school is uh somewhere to uh learn many subjects.
Okay, yes. Okay, so it is now in a physical school building or institution. Okay, so not just people, but you are learning in at a physical school. Okay, just like in here, they are learning in school. Now, what about online?
Uh online is learn uh uh learn on internet.
Okay, yes. Learning using the internet and is often from home. Just like we're having right now, we're having an online class. Okay, so now let us practice. Tell me what you can see in each picture. Okay, what is it?
One on one.
That's right. What about this one?
In a class.
Very good.
uh Online.
Okay, online and
In school.
okay, yes, that is correct. Now let us have vocabulary. What is friendly?
uh Friendly is uh uh is
Do you
uh
know? Okay, friendly is a
is
person who is.
happy with everyone.
Okay, yeah. So you mean easy to talk to. Okay, so a person who is welcoming, a person who's kind and pleasant to other people. Okay, that is a friendly person. Okay, it's someone who loves being surrounded by a lot of people. Now, what about kind?
Uh, that is uh to help other people.
Okay, yes, kind is helpful and not only that, but caring and considerate towards other people's feelings. Okay, very good. What about inspiring?
Inspiring is uh I don't know this word.
Oh, that's fine, Bob. Okay, so when we say inspiring, it is someone who is making you do something or create something. Okay, so it is a person who is motivating or encouraging you to do better. Okay, do better. Wait, let me translate it for you so you'll understand it better, Bob.
Truyền cảm hứng,
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now, next one, we have lazy.
Uh lazy is uh don't want to do anything.
Okay, yes, it is a person who is not willing to work or be physically active. Very good. What about unfriendly?
Unfriendly is uh uh is not friendly.
Okay,
Is
yes,
not
that's right.
kind.
Yes, very good. Okay, so when we say unfriendly, of course, it means not kind, not friendly towards other people. Okay, not welcoming. What about boring?
Uh boring is uh feel bad and not happy.
Okay, you are not happy. Okay, if you are not happy, that is sad, Bob. However, when we say boring, it just means that something is not interesting. Okay, something is not interesting. It is not enjoyable. Okay, it's not getting or catching your attention. Instead, it is making you feel bored or want to sleep. Okay, because it's not interesting at all. Okay, now next one, frightening.
Uh frightening is uh feel scared.
Okay, yes, it is something that makes you feel scared or worried about something. Okay, feel afraid or nervous. What are you scared of, Bob?
But
What are you scared of?
uh my mom
Oh, you're scared of your mom. What about animals? What animals are you afraid of?
uh
Or insects?
animal is snake.
Oh, okay. You're afraid of snakes. What about mouse? A mouse.
A little.
Oh, just a little. What about spiders? Are you afraid of spiders?
Uh, when I was a child,
Oh, when
it's
you were a
frightening.
child. But what about now?
Now it's not.
Not anymore. Okay, you can kill it directly, right? Okay, so, well, I believe that would be all it for our class today, Mom. And on Tuesday, we'll continue the last word. So you can relax now. Thank you so much, Mom. Stay safe.